Your home is a mess. You know you should clean, but every time you start, it feels overwhelming. So you put it off. Again. And the mess gets worse. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. You're not lazy. You're just approaching it wrong. The Japanese don't deep clean their homes every weekend. They don't spend hours scrubbing. They use tiny habits, done every day, that prevent the mess from happening in the first place. Today, I'm going to show you 10 Japanese cleaning habits that keep your home spotless without spending all day doing it. Because a clean home isn't about effort, it's about systems. Let's get into it. First habit, shoes off at the door. In Japan, you never wear outdoor shoes inside. Ever. Why? Because 80% of the dirt in your home comes from shoes. Think about it. You walk on sidewalks, public bathrooms, parking lots, and then you bring all of that into your house. The Japanese stop the dirt at the door. Shoes off, house slippers on. Your floors stay clean. Your home stays clean. And you just eliminated 80% of your cleaning work. One habit, massive impact. Second habit, reset the room before you leave. In Japan, there's a concept called Motonobasho. It means return to original place. Every time you leave a room, you reset it. Used a cup? Take it to the kitchen. Grabbed a book? Put it back on the shelf. Wore a jacket? Hang it up. You don't leave messes for later, you fix them now, in 2 seconds. And here's why this works. A messy home isn't created by one big disaster. It's created by 50 tiny things left out. When you reset as you go, the mess never builds. Your home stays clean without a deep clean session. Third habit, the 1-minute wipe down. In Japan, they don't wait for the bathroom to get dirty. After every shower, they wipe down the walls and floor. Takes 1 minute, prevents mold, keeps the bathroom spotless. Same goes for the kitchen. After cooking, wipe the counter, wipe the stove. 1 minute, done. You're not cleaning, you're maintaining. And maintenance takes way less effort than scrubbing built-up grime later. The Japanese prevent the mess. They don't fight it. Fourth habit, everything has a home. In Japan, every single object has a designated spot. Keys go on the hook. Mail goes in the tray. Remote goes on the table. When everything has a home, cleaning becomes automatic. You're not thinking, where should I put this? You just put it back. Because there's only one place it goes. And here's the secret. Clutter doesn't happen because you're messy. It happens because you don't have systems. When you assign homes to your stuff, your brain stops making decisions. You just return things on autopilot. And your home stays organized without effort. Fifth habit, clean as you cook. The Japanese don't leave a sink full of dishes after dinner. They clean while the food is cooking. Pot is simmering, wash the cutting board. Waiting for water to boil, wipe the counter. By the time the meal is ready, the kitchen is already clean. You're not adding a 30-minute cleanup session after eating. You're just using the dead time. And at the end of the meal, you're done. No pile of dishes staring at you. No guilt. Just a clean kitchen. Every single night. Sixth habit, the nighttime reset. In Japan, they never go to bed with a messy home. Every night before bed, they do a 10-minute reset. Dishes in the sink? Done. Toys on the floor? Put away. Counters cluttered? Cleared. You wake up to a clean home, not yesterday's mess. And here's why this matters. When you wake up to chaos, your day starts in chaos. When you wake up to order, you feel calm, in control. The nighttime reset isn't about perfection. It's about starting tomorrow with a clean slate. 10 minutes at night changes your entire morning. Seventh habit, less stuff. The Japanese are obsessed with minimalism, not because it looks good, because it makes cleaning effortless. Fewer things on your counters, less to wipe around. Fewer clothes in your closet, less to organize. Fewer toys on the floor, less to pick up. You're not just cleaning less, you're removing the need to clean in the first place. And here's the truth. Most of the stuff in your home you don't use. It's just sitting there, taking up space, creating clutter. Get rid of it. Not someday, now. The less you own, the cleaner your home stays. Eighth habit, the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Dirty plate? Wash it now. Jacket on the chair? hang it now. Mail on the counter, file it now. The Japanese don't let small tasks pile up. They kill them immediately. Because here's what happens when you don't. Those 2-minute tasks turn into a 30-minute cleanup session on Saturday. And you spend your whole weekend catching up on things you could have done in the moment. Do it now. Or do it later and hate yourself. Your choice. Ninth habit. Clean in categories, not rooms. In Japan, they don't clean room by room. They clean category by category. Monday, wipe all mirrors. Tuesday, vacuum all floors. Wednesday, clean all sinks. You're not deep cleaning the bathroom, then the kitchen, then the bedroom. You're doing one task throughout the whole house. And here's why this is genius. You get into a rhythm. You're not switching between scrubbing, wiping, and vacuuming. You're just doing one thing, fast. And because you're doing it every week, nothing ever gets that dirty. You're maintaining, not rescuing. 10th habit, the 5-minute morning tidy. The Japanese don't wait until their home is a disaster. Every morning, they spend 5 minutes tidying. Make the bed, put away last night's cup, straighten the pillows. That's it, 5 minutes. And here's the magic. A made bed makes the whole room feel clean. A clear counter makes the kitchen feel organized. You're not actually deep cleaning. You're creating the illusion of order, and that illusion keeps you motivated to maintain it. When your home looks clean, you want to keep it clean. When it's a mess, you give up. 5 minutes, every morning, changes everything. So here's the bigger picture. The Japanese don't clean more than you. They clean smarter. They don't let messes build. They prevent them. They don't deep clean on weekends. They maintain every day. They don't own a bunch of stuff. They only keep what they use. And because of that, their homes stay clean without effort. You can do the same thing. Shoes off at the door. Reset as you go. Wipe down in 1 minute. Give everything a home. Clean as you cook. Reset at night. Own less. Do 2-minute tasks now. Clean in categories. Tidy every morning. 10 habits. That's it. You don't need to spend hours cleaning. You just need a system that prevents the mess in the first place. So here's the truth. Your home doesn't have to be a mess. You're not lazy. You're not a slob. You're not broken. You just didn't have the right system, and now you do. You don't need to implement all 10 habits tomorrow. That's not how this works. Start with one, just one. Maybe it's shoes off at the door. Maybe it's the nighttime reset. Maybe it's the 2-minute rule. Pick the one that feels easiest and do it for a week. Let it become automatic, and then add the next one. Because here's what happens when you do this. 1 habit makes your home 10% cleaner. 2 habits make it 20% cleaner. And by the time you've built all 10, your home is clean. Every single day. Without deep cleaning sessions. Without guilt. Without overwhelm. Just small actions, done consistently. And when you do that, something shifts. You stop seeing your home as a source of stress. You start seeing it as a place of calm. Because a clean home isn't just about aesthetics. It's about how you feel when you walk through the door. It's about starting your day with clarity instead of chaos. The Japanese figured this out centuries ago, and now you know it too. If this helped, hit subscribe. I break down Japanese habits, productivity, and the small things that make life easier. And let me know in the comments, which habit are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next one.